I do believe that the new school has some new truths
Yeah.
that are good to embrace. And I would say probably the biggest one is to see people as people. I love the fact that we now see each other as individuals. And I also love the fact that we're trying to get to the honest truth of something, which is maybe I didn't need to wear a tie to do the drafting. Maybe that tie makes me really stinking uncomfortable all day long. I've never heard Dennis talk about, man, if I could only wear a tie again while I sat at my computer, then I'd be really better at what I do.
Yeah, he's not looking to go back, I
Nope.
don't think.
There are some things that we're just like, yeah, we didn't need to do that. And culturally, we've been allowed to move forward. That's no longer seen as a disrespect.
But what's cool is that mentality carried forward into now he's using technology.
Sure.
So when you marry that grit and that ability to hone in and just get it done with tech, oh, cool stuff happens right there. Like you could be a stinking workhorse at that point.